6 daily phrasal verbs native speakers use every day. Hello and welcome to MS English Diary. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This is the perfect place to start. Today we are going to learn something very important for daily English speaking: phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a preposition or adverb that creates a different meaning. Native English speakers use them every day, so learning them will help you speak more naturally and confidently. Today, you will learn 6 simple and useful phrasal verbs with beginner-friendly daily life examples. Let's begin. 1. Stay in, meaning remain at home instead of going out. Example, I stayed in and watched TV last night. 2. Go out, meaning leave home for fun or social activities. Example, they went out for dinner yesterday. 3. Bring in, meaning carry or take something inside. Example, please bring in the groceries from the car. 4. Take out, meaning remove something or take something outside. Example, he took out the trash after dinner. 5. Drag off, meaning pull or take someone away by force. Example, the security guards dragged him off the stage. 6. Start off, meaning begin something. Example, let's start off with an easy question. Keep learning step by step and practice every day. The more you use phrasal verbs, the more natural your English will sound. Remember, fluency is built through daily practice and confidence. Thank you.